So find the interval in which function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. This is sin x plus cos x is increasing. In 0, 2 pi. Do you remember last class we did increasing, decreasing now? So using that concept, you have to do this question. So what we used to do, we used to differentiate it, and for increasing, it should be greater than 0, right? Now, if you differentiate this, what you will get, can you tell me? Yes. What is the derivative of sin x?
Cos x
And what is the derivative of cos x?
minus sin x.
Minus sin x. So this should be greater than 0, which means that cos x should be greater than sin x. Now, in this interval, where is cos x greater than sin x? You know the graph of sin x and cos x, right? Sin x between 0 to 2 pi is like this. This is 0 to 2 pi sin x graph. And the cos x graph between 0 to 2 pi is like this. This is cos x graph from 0 to 2 pi. Now, if you are saying that cos x is greater than sin x, where do you find cos x greater than sin x? Cos x is this blue one and sin x is this black one. So you can see that this blue one, which is cos x, I'm highlighting it with a green mark. So this is greater than the black graph. And from here, this is again greater than the black graph. So these two portions are there. What is the interval? This is pi by 4, where sin x becomes equal to cos x in the first quadrant. And this is the third quadrant, where sin x and cos x are same, minus 1 by root 2. And that is 5 pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4. That is 0 to pi by 4. Or you can say that it is 0 to 45 degree. And 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi, which you can say as 225 degrees to 360 degrees. Are you getting it? If you have any doubt, you can ask, just note it down. I hope you have written it. So let us come to
1 minute.
okay. I'm writing the next question here. Find the interval in which y equal to x square e to the power minus x is increasing. So here also you have to do the same thing. Dy by dx, which is the derivative of this, is greater than 0. So this is one function x square, this is another function e to the power minus x. So first function into derivative of e to the power minus x is minus e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x into derivative of x square is 2x. So this derivative is finally greater than 0. Now you have to further solve it. Next step, you can write e to the power minus x common, and then you have 2x minus x square, which is greater than 0. And then after that, e to the power minus x, and x is common, 2 minus x. This is greater than 0. Now, when will this be greater than 0? That you have to find out. In which interval? So if you see this e to the power x, it is always greater than 0 because it is an exponential function. It is always greater than 0. Its graph is like this. This is the graph of e to the power minus x. It is always greater than 0. Now, other two terms are x and 2 minus x. So, you have done earlier wavy curve method. If you see here, x will be 0 at 0 and 2 minus x will be 0 at 2. And x into 2 minus x, since x into 2 minus x can be written as x into x minus 2 with a negative sign. Both are same. So in wavy curve method, we have studied that the rightmost portion will have the sign, which is the sign of the expression. So this is negative here. This is again positive here. Then this is again negative. Do you remember this? So this is what happens in wavy curve method. So this expression will be a negative, positive, negative. Now e to the power minus x is already positive. So this product will be positive in 0 to 2. So we'll say x belonging to 0 to 2. This will be our answer. Written? Sharif and Fazil, have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us come to the next question. Find the intervals in which the function f given by fx equal to take 2x square minus 3x is a part is strictly increasing and b part is strictly decreasing. When you will differentiate it, what you will get? If you will differentiate 2x square, what you will get?
4x.
And when you will differentiate 3x, what you will
Minus 3.
minus 3. So if they are asking is strictly increasing, so it means that 4x minus 3 should be greater than 0. So what it means for x? X is greater than 3 by 4, no? Isn't it so? 4x will be greater than 3. And so x will be greater than 3 by 4, which means it is 3 by 4 to infinity. This is for increasing. Similarly, if you will do for decreasing, so 4x minus 3 is less than 0. What it would mean? X would be less than 3/4, isn't it? So it will be minus infinity to 3/4. So this is the region where it is decreasing, and that is the region where it is increasing. Let us come to the next question. So I'll give you time to try this, then we will discuss. Find the interval in which the function fx is equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1 is strictly increasing or decreasing. Both you have to find where it is strictly increasing and where it is strictly decreasing. So when you will differentiate this fx1, what will you get?
Minus 6x square minus 18x minus 2.
So you can take minus 6 common and it will become x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay.
Oops.
Now you have to find out when will be this function positive, when will it be negative, the interval. So you don't have to find for both. If you will find for positive, then negative will be complementary of that. Okay. So you just try to find where it is positive. Then we will see where it is negative later on. So we are just trying to find out for increasing. देखिए आप लोग ये क्या है? पानी ये बॉय है, ये गर्ल है, ये कौन है? और ये गर्ल है. अच्छा. Yes, sir, you can. Shavaz, you have also joined now. So we are doing the same thing which we were doing in the previous class. Increasing and
Sir,
decreasing. Sorry.
tell the answer.
Answer. What are you getting?
Sir, it is increasing from minus 1 to infinity and minus infinity to minus 2.
Minus infinity to minus 2 and minus 1 to infinity.
Yes.
It is increasing. Okay.
Decreasing from minus 2 to minus 1.
Isn't it opposite? Because if you want to say that this is positive, so minus 6 will go there, it will become x square plus 3x plus 2 less than 0, because minus will make it inequality reverse. Now this will be x plus 2 into x plus 1 less than 0. Now if you see on the number line, where is it minus 2 and where is it minus 1? So this is here positive, here it is negative, and here it is positive. And we want to find for negative one, because for increasing, this is what we are getting the condition. Minus sign was there, then it was greater than 0. Now if you vanish this minus sign, this will become less than 0. So less than 0 is between x belonging to minus 2 comma minus 1. So you will say that this is the region where it is increasing, instead of saying opposite. And for decreasing, then it will become the other parts. For decreasing, x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 union minus 1 comma infinity. So this will be for decreasing. So you have done it correctly, but it is reverse.
So can you just repeat how?
Yeah. So we have this minus 6x square plus 3x plus 2 positive for increasing. Now, if it is positive, then in that case, this minus 6 will go on the right hand side and it will become 0, but the inequality which is here will reverse. It will not be greater than, it will be less than, because you are multiplying by minus on both the sides. So you will do the middle term splitting, and x plus 2 and x plus 1 is less than 0. So if you talk about increasing, this is the condition here. Minus 2, minus 1 on the number lines are here. And it is like positive, negative, positive, because the rightmost region will be positive here. As the sign of the expression is positive, then it is negative, then it is positive. So where it is negative, where it is less than 0, minus 2 to minus 1. X belonging to minus 2 to minus 1. And for decreasing, x belongs to minus infinity, minus 2 union minus 1. Okay, Shabazz. Sharif and Fazil, is it clear to you also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question is, find the values of x for which y is equal to x into x minus 2 whole square is an increasing function.
sir.
Done?
Sir, this is strictly increasing, right?
Yeah, strictly.
Okay, sir.
So I'm doing it. You will differentiate. It will become x square into x minus 2 whole square derivative. And it will be x square into,
So it's increasing, right?
sorry,
So it's increasing, right?
yeah, it is increasing. So it will be x square into 2x minus 2 plus x minus 2 whole square into 2x. Now you can take 2 into x minus 2 as common. So it will be x and then x minus 2. So it will be 2x into x minus 2 into 2x minus 2. This is what you will get here. And then you have 2 into x into 2 again, which will come out to be common. It becomes 4. And x minus 1 into x minus 2. So this is what is the derivative here. Now, you just see the sign scheme. It has 0 at 0, at 1, at 2. And the derivative is positive, negative, positive, negative. Now, where it is increasing, what will be the answer?
Sir, 0 to 1 and 2 to infinity.
Yeah, correct. So the answer would be 0 to 1 union into infinity.